I'm do following patients. In 2021, I discovered a swelling that looks like a growth in my left eye, and at a point it was getting bigger and bigger. And at a point my children were scared and they asked me to go for surgery. I actually scheduled for the surgery. The surgery was supposed to take place in December 16th, 2023. But somehow, I just felt I decided to use my product first. And I started using my Cranstem morning and evening. And January 3rd, midnight, I saw that my eyes was closed. And when I looked at my mirror, I saw it was a pus actually coming out of the eye, a ticking pus for that matter. There is an attachment that I will send through this video before and after. Thank you.